Hey, greetings and salutations. Got some wonderboard, and I'm going to line the shower. And I forgot to get an extra piece of insulation. Oh, I keep losing my friggin' dead cat. So I think I better run back to Home Depot and pick up some more. Pick up another sheet of 1.5" foam board. That's not actually foam board, it's polystyrene, but anyway. But before I do that, I think I'm just going to go ahead and pre-cut. You know what, actually, I think I'm going to do this wall right now. So yeah, I'll do that. Alright, it's a start, but probably not going to be back in here anymore today, so we'll have to worry about it tomorrow. Oh, that air conditioning feels so good. Whew.
Tomorrow for sure.
Oh man. Well, it's the next day. I'm about almost 4.5 hours into it, and I have got all that stuff in. I still haven't been to Home Depot to get this last piece of insulation, but the ceiling I'm going to do in plywood first, and then I'll put the cement board over top of that just to give that cement board a little more rigidity, because everything in here is going to be tiled, I think. Pretty sure. I might change my mind, but anyway, I gotta put this last piece of plywood in, and then I can go to Home Depot and get this last piece of insulation and finally get this cement board done. I tell you what, man, it is a steamy son of a bitch inside that little water closet. Oh, this air conditioning feels so good. Oh. Back to work.
More moments later.
Alright. I have a few things I need to do in here before I can tile. I'll install the shower pan and build the curb. That's my shower pan, and that's going to go right in here. I got to put that in before I put any board here on this side, because right now it's a really tight fit. But so I'll put that in and get the curb built. There's be a curb in front of it, and I'll get this piece of insulation, and then once the pan is in, then I can, and this insulation board is in, and I can sheet this. I'll build the curb and sheet that, and then this red guard, that stuff. We'll paint this whole thing with red guard. Probably do some cement board around this framing as well. And I need to put a piece in here and a little chunk I'll glue in here. But this is all going to get red guarded, and then once it's red guarded, I'll let it sit for a couple days. And I need to glue my freaking dead cat on my freaking microphone because I'm sick of picking this damn thing up. And then there's a guy right across the way here, about a block away over on the next street over, who has a perpetual garage sale every weekend for the last probably 15 years. I don't know. As long as we've been here. We've been here 6. But he buys closeouts, and he goes around to the big box stores and buys up stock that they just want to get rid of. So I'll go see what he's got for tile, because I can get it for next to nothing. And if we got enough tile of the same variety to do this whole bathroom, I'll buy it from him. If not, then I'll have to go up and get some cheap shit from the Home Depot. But I probably got about 2 more hours of dinking around in here. All right. Yeah, that's it. That's how the lights are gonna go. Just like that. Yeah. That's this week. This week on the bus, getting ready to do the bathroom. On the next installment, that will be all done and red guarded, and we'll get ready to start doing tile. I want to tile the bathroom first, and once the bathroom's tiled and grouted, then I think I'll probably get back here in the kitchen. That needs to be tiled. That wall needs to be tiled or something. But definitely this area right here needs to be tiled. I might just get peel and stick for here. I haven't decided yet. That's likely what I'll do. And then I need to get a couple sheets of plywood to start building the cabinet faces. And what else? Next week is going to be a busy week. Mainly next week I'm going to focus on wrapping up the bathroom and then working out of the bathroom towards the front of the bus. I'm going to wait to do the master last. I really want to get this thing together enough to get this up to inspection and get it retitled as an RV. So that's all I got today. Yeah, it's kind of hard to stop what you're doing when you're on a roll and fire up the camera, and so I apologize I didn't show you a lot, but it's just pretty much it's just getting in that little space and sweating your nuts off, and you know, measuring and cutting and measuring and cutting, and that's kind of the story here. So if you like the video, hammer away the like button and share this with your vast social media network if you're so inclined. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button down under this window and the little bell icon next to it so you'll be notified of future uploads. Check the description for Amazon affiliate links for things that you may see in these videos or gear that I use to make these videos. And if you're not interested in any of that stuff and you're going to shop on Amazon anyway, I would appreciate it very much if you would be so kind to use one of those links as a gateway to get to whatever you want. Thanks in advance if you do that, and if you can't, then we're probably cousins. So on that note, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep the powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.